video. Okay.
So this is your Hey Hot Stuff kit. So this is for natural menopause. So women who go through perimenopause and they lead up to menopause.
Okay.
The Flash kit is a little different because it's for women who go through post-surgical, post-chemo, and they have very specific needs and things, products they can and cannot use.
I'm just going to open that. Oh, Jackie, what do we have in here? This looks awesome. So we're going to go through the kit on the show, but for this video, let's do this too. So what do we have here, Jackie?
Carolyn Draws, she creates all these
bad language alert. Okay, sorry. We'll keep it in.
Yeah, we won't say it.
Yeah.
Carolyn Draws, she does like really fun cards, just life issues, events, but she's gotten into some more women's health cards. So Carolyn and I are working together on developing some menopause cards that you can give to a friend if you're kidding them. And I would have filled yours up, but I figure you might want to give it to someone.
Yeah, exactly. Okay.
Now, Phases Tea, these guys are local, and they've actually partnered with us to create 2 teas to help women with like hot flashes. They're calming. The Lavender Dream tea we often put in a flash kit for women going through post-chemo. It's very soothing and relaxing. But the menopause tea is also soothing and relaxing, but helps with the hot flashes.
Nice.
So you'll have to pour yourself a cup and let
will.
me know what you think.
Okay.
There is like shameless self-promotion.
Of course.
There's your She2.0.
This is a fantastic podcast that you host, Jackie. So I encourage people to check that out.
Thank you. So this woman is from the West Coast, so very cool. We found her on Etsy. You freeze these and you can wear them around your head. You can wear them around your neck. So they help with the hot flashes, but also a lot of women get migraines and headaches. And they're super funky and cool. I love the design.
Okay, now we have...
Okay, BioScal. So
these products.
your hair is very lush, but I lost a lot of...
But anyway, yeah, people do lose a lot of hair during menopause, for sure.
During menopause and even post-pregnancy when your hormones change. So this is actually... the Canadian-owned rights to the Helsinki formula. Do you remember that?
I don't, but...
Yeah, so this has actually been amazing. I've been putting it on my temples where I've lost hair, and my hairdresser came over last week to do my color and cut, and she said she's never seen my hair so thick.
Wow.
But the kit also has like a spray you put on after to get rid of the frizz.
That's the spray there, I assume.
This is the shampoo. And this is the energizer. So you put the concentrate on your scalp directly. Okay. So I've got baby hairs coming back.
Nice.
This is your Monashi Twist from Canadian Frost. I love this company. Okay. So this can be worn 5 different ways.
It's like a scarf?
Like it can be a scarf, it can be a beanie, it can be a toque.
Cool.
And I'll send you the video. Okay. Then you can see how she does it. It's really fun.
Okay. And then we have...
And then this is for your saucy sex life. These are the Pleasure Pods. These are Canadian-made company. These are like all natural ingredients, but it doesn't slip or slide. A lot of people who use lube find that it gets very messy and it travels. This stays in one spot, and you melt it in your hands and use as much as you need. I've also been using it on dry skin patches.
Interesting.
And it's amazing. Yeah.
So we're taping each other, taping each other. And thank you so much, Jackie. I'm looking forward to your interview on Go To Grandma on April the 22nd.
Thank you, Kathy. I hope you enjoy your kit.
That's so good.